Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start now by verifying your primary Gmail account. First, scan promotions and social to spot recurring senders you don't need. Next, open Settings and go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Create a new filter for one clear pattern: sender, subject, or keywords. Use specific terms so you don't catch important mail. Once done, apply that filter to matching conversations and choose Delete or Skip the Inbox. This begins removing unnecessary mail immediately. Now refine the process by combining criteria: use from plus subject, or has the words so filters are precise and avoid false positives. Create multiple filters for newsletters, shopping, and notifications, and assign auto actions like skip inbox and delete, or add a label for review. Make sure to test each filter on 1050 existing messages so you can tune it. If many matching messages appear, adjust keywords. Otherwise, save and apply to existing conversations so Gmail cleans up. Finish by doing a bulk cleanup. Search by label or filter, select all, and delete so your inbox reflects the new rules. Also use Gmail's unsubscribe button for mailing lists you no longer want, and archive any remaining low-value mail. If something goes wrong, check filters order and edit overlapping rules. Make sure no filter accidentally marks important senders. If mail still appears, review blocked addresses and your account's forwarding rules. Once corrected, Gmail will stop those unnecessary messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.